Hello, it's me, Gino, and today we'll be playing Pawpatrol toys. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Get it. I'm recording a video. This is the Pawpatrol. Here, hold it. Can I hold it? Be the cameraman. This is the Pawpatrol car. Yep. Can drive it. Tap some button. And you can put some stuff in here. Well, let's put this motorcycle. It doesn't work. Let's try the next one. Marshall car. Here. And this Marshall car can drive anywhere. Open this, put some stuff. Drive buttons.
Wow.
Now, it's time for big stuff. Pawpatrol plane.
This is a time lapse.
Pawpatrol plane. Right here. Open. Camera open. Wings open. Thing open. Little button in the back. Goofy. One more special thing. It's got a gun. Alternate. This Pawpatrol. Ding, ding. Yeah. Are you recording?
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
No, you're the camera.
Right here. Right here.
Okay, you're the Pawpatrol man. We futuristic guys. Like this, buddy. Boom. Coolness.
Oh my gosh. And over here.
And over here, you can put soda. And you did. Open it.
Star.
And some people could do it like this little guy. And then you go closer, and then he will go vroom vroom.
Yeah, right here is sees the Pawpatrol. Right here just sees it.
Okay, he's gonna
The
go
sound.
and get started to ride.
Wait, was there a secret place?
Yep,
Ooh.
that's a secret place. Just empty.
Yeah, put some stuff in there.
Yeah, you're right.
Like Goofy. Yeah. Goofy. Anyways, thank you for watching our video.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Uh-oh, don't you dare drop it.